We start a brand new week. It may not be a terrible Tuesday, it may not be a terrific Tuesday. I think it'll just be a okay Tuesday. Hello, Bank Nifty is up. The breadth is decent. The Sensex is bouncing back. I think Asia also can be credited to large part of the recovery which is happening. And there's a point which we've been making that in the large cap stocks now, there is a call from big brokerages to buy the fall. So first let the large cap stocks start stabilizing. Banks hold the key. Pharma holds the key. Consumer tech, fintech stocks are crucial. I don't think this rally will be led or the recovery would be led by PSUs, defense, railways and all that. Breadth is positive. I quite like it. Not too many newsmakers, but there's an upgrade which has come on from Goldman Sachs on Indigo. And it's going to be high flying for Indigo once again. IT yesterday took it on the chin. Metals yesterday came crumbling down. Are those pockets picking a comeback? But I quite like the market open. It's not great, but at least there is a rub of green.
Yeah, at least it's stabilized. Those are the first early takes. I want to see what PSBs are up to, considering government has invited bids to appoint lead managers and brokers for stake sale in select PSBs. So look out for what those stocks do. Other than that, of course, IREDA has got the shareholder approval to raise 5,000 crore rupees. Nestle, which is now looking at considering price hikes. There's AkzoNobel, of course, wherein the board has approved the sale of the powder coating business and an R&D center as well, 0.5% higher for Akzo. And Biocon, which is now launching a drug, available to patients in the USA now. So look out for what that stock as well does. Other than that, of course, there's NTPC. The group is now inked MOUs to invest about 2 lakh crore rupees at the Madhya Pradesh Submit. NTPC Green, MP Power, they've signed an MOU with them to set up a capacity of up to 20 gigawatt. So look out for that stock as well. Adani Green, wherein they've operationalized an incremental 67 megawatt solar power project in Gujarat. Look out for that stock as well. And SBI Cards, wherein the news flow is disappointing given that the total Jan spends are down 5.6% and the average spends per card have also seen a decline of about almost 14.25% on a month-on-month basis. What about IT? Is that getting slacked once again? Or for that matter, even metals? Some of the big losers from yesterday, the likes of Nokri, LTIM, LTTS, Nalco, they were all getting thrashed in trade yesterday. And today too, you're not really seeing any meaningful comeback. In fact, some of these, as I can see on the screens, are still seeing some follow-through selling. What about a Bharti? What about an L&T, ICICI Bank? Look out for what some of these stocks do. Bharti stable at that 1600 level. L&T down 1.5%, just about defending 3200. And ICICI Bank up in the green, 7/10, 1227. So that's definitely one of the more solid ones and stable ones to start off trade. What about autos? M&M, Eicher, Hero MotoCorp, Maruti, they all held out yesterday. DRL, Trent, Nestle, they also saw dots of green. And I think that green as well continues. Kunal, early days, but it seems like it's a stable start.
It's a better start than what we've seen in the last many days, because in the first 5 minutes itself, we generally see some aggravated selling for indices as well as the market breadth which deteriorates. So hopefully I think we can just expect that this move stabilizes. In terms of opening trade, I would go with Kotak Bank as a stock which even yesterday I think showed some very strong positive signs of a comeback. The stock has been trading above the key support of 1900 mark, looks attractive.
All right, that's a buy coming in on Kotak Mahindra Bank. But Naresh, what about you? What are your first trade ideas?
So continue like Castrol India, the stock has been holding on well in this market.